What's up, y'all? KDiani here, back with another video, and welcome to part 2 of me styling this synthetic wig. This wig is from the Janet collection, so thank you to them. This style is the Mercy style. This is in the color 1B. There's like 6 or 5 other more colors. There's 1, 2, cinnamon, latte blonde, marigold, and cinnamon and sandstone. So this wig does have a transparent lace, meaning that you can sit it up on different skin tones. It does not matter the skin tone, it will melt and blend in very well. The wig came pre-plucked, but if you haven't already, make sure you guys go ahead and watch part 1, where I go ahead and pluck the hairline and also pluck the center part to make it look more cleaner. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this wig on because I'm very excited. So I have my Got To Be spray. That's what I'm going to be using today. That's been the method I've been liking to put my wigs on because I don't wear them that long anyways. So that's perfect. And I'm going to be using this satin scarf to hold it down. Got my braids done up and everything did. I'm not gonna wear a wig cap under here. I barely wear wig caps just because of the fact that I don't wear my wigs that long. If you don't need to see the plucking video, I'll go ahead and show you the inside of the wig. So it comes with 3 combs, 2 by the hairline and 1 in the back, and it also came with adjustable straps. I am going to go ahead and make it a little bit tighter. I know I got a big head, but I need it a little bit tighter if I could take it off. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy on my head, and I'm going to be using the back comb only. But as you can see, it's laid to the side, and if you would want to wear your hair to the side, you definitely can by just shifting it to the side. If you want it to the other side, you go ahead and shift it to the other side, but I like to wear my hair down the middle, so that's how we're going to do it. I'm just gonna have my mirror here in the front so I can see where I'm going to place my wig. I'm going to brush it, and as far as the hair goes, it does shed a little bit, but that's okay. Normally synthetic hair does tend to shed, and sometimes even the human lace wigs, they be shedding too. So I guess originally this wig was made to be worn to the side, because as you can see when I wear it down the middle, it does have extra lace here. So I'm going to have to cut that off for my comfortability. So now that I have my wig placed where I want it to be, I'm just going to go ahead and brush it back and clip it. So I just set a guide there so I can know when I do lay it down with the Got To Be spray, I know where I'm going to be cutting, so I don't have to lift it up again. And I'm going to clip the other side too. Okay, so once I put the wig on, I'm going to go ahead now and cut the lace, and I'm going to cut the lace in 3 sections. Okay, so the first piece I'm going to cut off is the center. this hair is like really soft, and it's just so pretty, and even when I brush it, it still continues to have that pattern going on, which is my favorite because I love hair with body. Like, I like straight hair too, but not that much. Even when I flat iron my own natural hair, it can't just be straight. It has to have some type of body to it. So this is my results with the Mercy wig. I went on ahead and took the baby hairs off because I liked it without the baby hairs. But I'm in love with this wig, especially for it being synthetic. It's like so soft, and it keeps its body and everything. It's just super cute. So if you're looking for a wig that's affordable and it looks good and will probably last you a good little minute if you take care of it properly, I would suggest you go ahead and get this wig. This is the Mercy wig, and I have it in the color 1B. Now they do have different colors, so make sure you guys check out the website to see all the other different colors that they have. Everything I used is going to be down in the description box, so feel free to check that out, and also check out the links where you can invest and earn some coins yourself, and also save some money. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, mucho besitos.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back.